Good morning, my name is Nozi. I'm a horticulturist working at Explorers in Milan. I'm going to show you how to plant veggies in a box. This is Eddie, he's going to assist me this morning. The weed guard holds the soil. Trim the edges of the weed guard with a pair of scissors. Add potting soil until the box is 3/4 full. Add Superflora into the potting soil. You mix your Superflora with the potting soil. Make sure that it's mixed before you do the planting. Apply 60 grams and then sprinkle it around. Apply 60 grams per square meter or into a box like this size, just a handful. Wake in your garden phosphate together with your bone meal into the soil. Add a light sprinkle of a snapshot. Mix your snapshot together with the soil mixture before you start planting. Dig a hole up to the size of the depth of the plant. Loosen up the roots for better water absorption. A layer of a rooibos mulch around the veggies.